In today's world, you have to be as efficient as possible. So we attribute our success a lot to our equipment that we use and the innovation that's provided with that equipment, from our dump trucks to our equipment to our lube trucks. My name is Kyle Kane. I work for Sprint Sand and Clay. We're located out of Houston, Texas. We're celebrating our 40th year in business. We're a dirt work contractor, and we sell construction materials, mainly dirt, to contractors and heavy highway and home builders in the Houston greater area. We have over 200 pieces of heavy equipment in Houston, and Houston's a city that encompasses a large land area. So it's important for our lube truck to, when he leaves the shop, he may be gone one way to a location for 2 hours. So it's important that we have enough storage and equipment and capacity to service many pieces of equipment on that side of town before going back and refilling the truck. And the cost of ownership compared to having a larger CDL truck with a CDL driver, it just makes sense. I think when you compare what we would have to pay from the dealership versus doing it ourselves and the cost of ownership, it just really made sense for us to get the Class 5 truck. I think for as small as the truck is, it still holds a lot of capacity. It's well designed, both when you fill the truck and when you input the oils into the machine. I think it was really designed well to reduce spillage and be very efficient.
You know, you have to transport 10 to 20 gallon, 5-gallon buckets at a time for each type of oil, and in each machine you can have 2 to 3 different types of oil. You know, you have to have waste containers, then you have to have a way of disposing of them. So basically, it just cuts out on our transportation a lot, and it helps keep a cleaner environment, and it honestly makes it easier on us and more time efficient. We spend less time moving oil and more time servicing equipment.
The ability to run it without a CDL is a huge one for us. And the ability to, carry all of the bulk oil and filters, all the storage on the truck. And, he can go out and complete 4 or 5 services a day and not have to return to the shop multiple times to fill up on oil and supplies. If we lost this truck today, it would be a huge impact on us, and we would be ordering another one tonight.
Since we found the truck and working in Houston and being in business 40 years, we network with other contractors and whatnot. And so we get inquiries all the time about, hey, how do you like that truck? It doesn't require a CDL driver. Would you buy it again? And our answer is yes.